Hey everyone, welcome to a day in my life video. This is part 2 of my trip to San Diego, and I'm going to show you all the good food that I ate. I explored town a little bit, and I also did some fun collabs with my friends, so I shot some behind the scenes, and I hope you enjoy. So I spent the night at my friend Grace's house, rolled out of bed, brushed my teeth, and then headed downstairs. I smell cinnamon, and it smells amazing. I'm gonna say good morning again like I didn't already come down and say good morning with Grace.
Good morning.
And her kitchen smells amazing because look at what I've discovered. I mean, just casual, perfect pancakes hanging out on the counter. And also, I love the Ritual podcast.
Me
Do you
too.
listen to it? Yeah, me too.
I'm obsessed. Hi.
Here she is. These are vegan oatmeal pancakes, and there was a big, beautiful bowl of fruit on the side and some peanut butter and some maple syrup, and this was just vegan breakfast heaven. Amber, did you make these pancakes?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a very talented chef. These are incredible. Wow.
Stay humble.
So I'm having pancakes, and I'm also getting story time with Camper. So not only did I get homemade pancakes, but I also got a live reading of Green Eggs and Ham, and then after that we kind of sat around with our coffee and talked for a long time, and it was such a cozy way to start the day. Then I headed back upstairs and got myself dressed, did some hair, did some makeup, getting myself all ready to film basically, and this is a lip color I thought I would show you because I've been loving it. I didn't really mean to get bangs. I kind of just started chopping and then I messed up and had to keep chopping off more, and now I like full on have a fringe, which is kind of fun, but I never know what to do with it, and I really just let my hair air dry so it's different every single day. I know you're supposed to like really style when you have bangs, but are we doing this? I don't know what to do. Bangs are hard. I'm not sure this looks right. Okay, nailed it. All right, so Dahlia is on her way over and we're gonna spend the next couple hours filming. I'm really excited because I know we're doing a protein bar taste test. And then after that, I'm gonna head back to downtown San Diego before I have to get on the train and probably find like a little dinner spot. So I'm excited to explore a little bit more. Yesterday, I was more in the downtown gas lamp district. And then today, I think I'm gonna be over by Old Town, which I don't really know what that's gonna be like. So I'll probably have dinner around there. And yeah, we'll just see what the day brings. But now I'm gonna go ahead and go downstairs. This is what I'm wearing. Basically an adult onesie, super comfortable, and let's go see what everyone else is up to. So Grace went ahead and picked out some vegan protein bars based on ingredients, and I picked out this one purely for taste. I'm really interested to see what this is gonna taste like. This one, and then we have to narrow it down to 2 more because we want to have 10 in total, but I have no idea which one to choose. I'm here with Dahlia, James, Grace. Oh, sorry, there we go. Is this not how other people film their Instagram stories? So then we had a little pre-filming meeting, and while we were talking, I was learning so much about plant-based nutrition, like this, for example.
Just a tidbit that the World Health Organization put in where they were saying when it comes to stevia as a food additive, they consider 4 milligrams per kilogram of body weight to be safe.
If you guys are watching this and you've had any of these bars, comment below and let me know what you think. And then when Grace's video is up, I'm gonna put it in the description box and you can see the results of our taste test. We were just talking about ingredients and I've already learned so much and we haven't even started filming, so you're definitely gonna need to watch the video. I'm excited.
I hope we don't nerd out too much.
No, nerd out.
You think?
Go crazy.
Me and
I love
Tanya are
it.
such nerds. I feel like we got on a roll back there and it was like, whoa.
Example, do you guys know the difference between soy and soy protein isolate?
Because you will.
You will. So we set up the cameras and kind of fiddled with lighting and sound for a while and put out all of the vegan protein bars. And as you can see, we tried a bunch on this day. And it was really interesting because my job was to talk about the taste and the texture and the way certain ingredients affect taste and texture. And they contributed so much interesting information from a dietitian's point of view. And it was really interesting to kind of learn in real time the way that a dietitian reads an ingredient list or a nutrition label. It was really fun, but there was one that we had a very strong reaction to.
Did that not
violate your palate. Goes immediately from a solid to a liquid.
A liquid instantly.
Instantly.
And there's some chunks. There's some nut chunks.
Stop.
Said it was peanut butter brownie. That's offensive to brownie.
We just finished the taste test, and let me tell you, there were some surprises. So once we got done filming, we went into the kitchen, and Grace's husband Alex and Dahlia's husband James were there, and of course we had to tell them about all the different bars, and they wanted to try them too. That's what I like.
That one's awesome.
And then they tried the one we didn't like. Oh god, oh god.
Why does it feel like I'm never gonna swallow it?
Oh, and then the aftertaste.
I know.
I mean, this one's not bad.
And then we filmed a reaction video to a video that I posted back in 2017 when I was still kind of newly vegan, and it was all about gut health and bloating on a vegan diet. Okay, so we just filmed a reaction video, and that exceeded my expectations and hopes for how much helpful information I was able to share with you guys because of their help. Seriously, such an expert, and I learned so much, and I cannot wait to share that video. Thank you so much for doing that.
I love clearing up common misconceptions when it comes to people demonizing poop. We all poop, we all have gas, we want to talk about what's the good, the bad, the ugly, and everything in between.
Yeah, and like so many things that you would never want to talk about, or you feel like you shouldn't talk about for whatever silly reason, she just makes you feel so comfortable.
It lights up my life. Like, I want to talk about it all day, every day.
Because it really does feel so good when you are healthy and regular, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
absolutely.
I cannot wait to share that video.
I made my husband look at my poop the other day, guys, because I was so proud.
To be fair, they both are gut health experts, so it's a little different.
That was a first, but you know, after so many years together, you do that. You celebrate every success together.
Old Town right now. I'm gonna be going to the train station here in a little bit, and I wanted to explore Old Town a little bit. So there's a lot of different restaurants on this strip, but I'm just kind of walking around and exploring right now, and then I'll head back to the train station and be home in LA. Options. I got some chips and salsa and guacamole. I made sure that there was no cheese on the guacamole. And then I got the fajitas with the corn tortillas, and they said the corn tortillas were totally vegan. The flour is made with lard. So this looks really good. It smells really good, and I'm really excited. And it's just really nice to sit outside. It's really beautiful here. If you guys are in Old Town, I recommend going into the park and going all the way down to the corner. That's where there's like this kind of circle that is a bunch of different stores and restaurants, and they play live music, and I found a lot of really cute pottery stores in there, and they make really beautiful terracotta serving dishes and bowls and cups and pitchers. There was a chocolate shop. There were a lot of places to get souvenirs, and it was really lively back there, but it's kind of tucked away, so you have to go through the park first.
I just can't stop. No, cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby.
I have the whole train car to myself. Look. There's people in that car and in the car over here, but this one's totally empty. Got my own train car apparently. And that was my trip to San Diego. If you missed part 1, I will link it in the description box below. I'm also going to include some more travel vlogs that I've done over the years in a playlist in the description box below if you want to watch some more. But I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Check out Grace and Dahlia's channel, which is going to be linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a really good day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a video very soon. Bye, everyone.